Welcome to Spellbinders August 2026 All Clubs Create bonus and exclusive items called Scaredy Cat and Make a Monster. These are die sets. The All Clubs Create Club membership includes all club options plus additional monthly bonus and exclusive items. These products are only available in this club. Let's look at these dies in detail. Die cut the pieces from colored cardstock and assemble the cat as shown. The cat looks especially spooky when cut from black flocked paper. When assembled, the cat fills an A2 card nicely. There's also a pumpkin die included in this set. You can add it on top of the cat or use it separately. To create a card, emboss a panel of brushed black cardstock using the August 2026 3D embossing folder of the month and adhere it onto an A2 top-folding card base made from black cardstock. Add a panel of white cardstock to the inside of your card to be able to write your personalized message. Adhere parts of the cat tail using glue like you see on the screen. Then foam mount the cat. Add the pumpkin on top of the cat's head, and the eek sentiment onto the cat's tail. Embellish your card with gold gems and enjoy. These are the Make the Monster All Clubs Create bonus dies. Use these pieces to create various monsters. This piece cuts a mouth opening. Cut it from colored cardstock panel, which you can also emboss using the August 2026 3D embossing folder of the month, and then add red cardstock in the background to create the mouth opening. This die makes a tongue. These dies create teeth. The circle dies create eyes in various sizes. Let's assemble. Foam mount red cardstock from the back of the black panel where you have the die cut mouth opening. Next, foam mount the teeth. It is fun to cut the teeth from white glossy cardstock to give them a little bit of a gloss or even mirror gold cardstock. Add the tongue, which you can cut from a light pink or a lighter red cardstock color. Foam mount the eyes and your monster is ready. Create all sorts of monsters for your Halloween cards, gift bags, and tags. Thank you for joining Spellbinders Club. Have fun creating!